Okay, so we talked already about how to use models to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number. On the test tomorrow, you can draw models to help you if that's your preferred way of finding it, okay? So for example, number 1, it would be 18/5. Turn your paper over and let's draw out what that looks like. Okay, I can have a circle divided into 5 equal parts. That would be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. So I need another circle. That would make it 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, 10/5. So I need another circle. That would give me 11/5, 12/5, 13/5, 14/5, 15/5. So I need one more circle. 16/5, 17/5, 18/5. What would be the mixed number represented by this model? How many whole circles are shaded in or counted? Guys, they're right here. How many whole circles are counted? Gage? 3. And then what fraction of this one is counted? Callie? 3 3/5. Now, I personally think that takes a long time. Okay, and remember, I said yesterday that you are going to be converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa the rest of your life in math. So I think we need to learn to do it mathematically, but I am telling you, if this is the only way you can do it, you can do this on the test tomorrow. Okay, are the people in the front with me? Okay, so the way that we do it mathematically is what? What does this bar mean in a fraction? Everyone say it. Divided by. So what we need to do here is read the equation with me. 18 divided by 5. So come over here and write out 18 divided by 5. Who knows how many times can 5 go into 18 without going over? Jackson. 3 times. And what is 3 times 5? Melanie? 15. So we subtract out our 15. How many are left? I need you to be focusing, please. 3, so we bring that up to the top instead of a remainder, and then our denominator is going to be 5. Our denominator does not change when we go from a mixed number to an improper fraction or improper fraction to mixed number. Everyone say it with me. The denominator stays the same. So our mixed number here is 3 3/5. 5 can go into 18 3 whole times. That is why we have a 3. There are 3 left over, and we keep our denominator the same. Okay? So, 7/2. Tell me how to solve this mathematically. Again, I can draw my picture and count them out. 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, 4/2, 5/2, 6/2, 7/2. What's my answer? What's my fraction, my mixed number? Callie? 3 1/2. But again, how can I solve it mathematically? What do I need to do? I have like the same 4 people raising their hands every time. What do I need to do? Andrew? 7 divided by 2. How many times can 2 go into 7? Brady? 3 times. My whole number is 3. It can go in there 3 whole times. What is 3 times 2? Everybody. Subtract 6. You have 1 left. Bring that up to the top. And what do I put underneath it? 2. My denominator stays the same. That's 3 1/2. Okay, number 7. 45/6. Now, how do I solve that mathematically? What do I need to do? What do I need to do? Derek. Divide what? Okay, I'm going to come over here because I am running out of room over there. How many times can 6 go into 45 without going over? Aiden, how many times can 6 go into 45 without going over? 7 times. That's my whole number. It can go in there 7 whole times. Okay, what is 6 times 7? Hunter? 42. So let's subtract 42. That leaves me with what?
3.
So what do I do with that 3? Bring it up, and then I leave my denominator a 6. Now, 7 and 3/6. What do you notice about 3/6? Kinsley? It's equal to 1/2. I can do 3 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. So now I have 7 and 1/2. Okay? 27/4. How do I find that mathematically? Who can tell me what I need to do? Dane, what do I need to do next? 27 divided by 4. How many times can 4 go into 27 without going over? If you don't have your hand in the air, you need to be looking at your fact chart so that you can answer this question. I want everyone trying. Nobody's waiting. 27, how many times can 4 go into 27 without going over? Benny?
4 times 6.
6 times. That's 6 whole times. That is your whole number. What is 6 times 4, Benny? 24. So let's subtract that out. That leaves me with 3. What do I do with that 3? Everybody say it. Bring it up. Everyone say it. What do I do with the 3?
Bring it up.
Okay, and then what do I put underneath it? 4. Your denominator stays the same. 6 3/4. Okay, 45/11. Ellis, what do I do to convert that?
Divide 11 by
Well, 45 divided by 11. So the big number's on top. 45 divided by 11. How many times can 11 go into 45 without going over? If you don't know, you should be looking at a fact chart. No one is waiting for the answer. You should be looking at a fact chart if you don't know how many times 11 can go into 45. Allie? 4 times. 4 whole times. That's your whole number. Okay, what's 4 times 11? Briley? 44. Then go ahead and subtract. What do I do with that 1? Everybody say it. Bring it up. What do I put underneath it?
11.
The 11. Okay? Now, I'm going to let you here in a minute work on this with a partner, and we're going to leave these available for you to do for practice tonight. Okay. Converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. Who can tell me, what do I do? Remember that? MAD. Remember the acronym MAD. What does it stand for? Jordan. Yep. And then what does that D stand for? Denominator. The denominator stays the same. You can go ahead and put your denominator over for all of them. The denominator does not change. It's multiply, add, put it back on the denominator. And we go this way, like a C. We start at the bottom and we go around. So 6 times 4 is 24 plus 5 is? Okay, I need everybody participating. If you don't know your math facts, you should have your fact chart out. Okay, 11 times 4 is what? 44. Plus 9 gives me 53. Okay, we're going to raise hands because I think some people are not participating. I'm looking for every hand to be up. 10 times 9 is?
90.
Okay, I said we're going to raise hands, which means we're not going to yell out. 10 times 9 is what, Lexi? 90. plus 3 is 93. Okay, other Lexi. 9 times 8 is? Plus 2 is? 74. Okay, Chloe, 2 times 4 is? Plus 1 makes it 9. 9 halves. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to let you work on this one with the partner. We're going to keep this available for practice tonight. This video is going to be called Converting Fractions to Improper Fractions and Mixed Numbers. If this is something that you look at this tonight and you don't remember how to do it, you need to go to Canvas. There is a module called EL7 Post-Test Review. Go to it and find the videos you need to help you. Okay?